Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do international transfer on Revolut. The first thing I want you to do is actually just go to the transfer section. You come here to payments and you go ahead and add your money, for example, right here, and you can change the method. Okay, so you can come here, click on change, and here you'll see all the different options you can go ahead and do. You can even do right here regular bank transfers from your other banks. You can do easy bank transfer as well from your bank. For example, here you choose the currency, choose the amount, then you go continue. Then you choose a bank to transfer from, right? And then you just go ahead and log in with that bank. It can be all around the world. You can just search for your bank and you log in, you're able to do your international transfers, right? Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.